You can't rush experience, you know. That is where you get hurt. This is not a dance class. In the field, you have to have your head by your body. Listen, I want to make sure when we carry up on the ups or send you up on the ups, you're not fool. Just trust the process. Alright. Right now, I want you to focus on this mirror skirt. And just want to tell her how Karima choke you. Oh yeah, enjoy.
David,
Yeah?
you okay?
Yeah, man. Never been better.
Good morning.
Agent B, whisper.
Greetings.
What pops?
In the bathroom. Can I offer you guys something to drink?
No, we're good.
Bubbles? Whisper. What's up? You guys are here on assignment, or I can offer you a drink? Hey? Pearl, put another flask on the table, please. Oops, no.
You drunk?
Junk? Me? Hell no. I'm perfectly sober.
Him drunk?
His term for it is being nice.
You're not keeping up with the times. When we nice as some gwaan. When we nice as some gwaan. Yeah. What are you grinning at so for? Eh? Whisper.
Mr. Mullins, please can I talk to you outside?
I hope it's not about work. I was put on indefinite leave.
Please come with me.
Oh, it sounds like she'll lock me up, sir. Huh?
Come.
Not just so, not without any stimulation.
Pops, come with me, please.
Okay. If you insist. Here's to those that wish us well. Those who don't can go to hell. Champagne for real friends. And real pain for sham friends. Yeah? After you. Yes, I have start coming. One man are coming. Another flask. Hide the one there. Who moved the door? Oh, okay. Most kind. Hello.
So you sit down in here and watch him get drunk?
Well, actually, I was moving around while he was drinking.
Joke this. And you supposed to be an agent?
Yes, I am. Formally trained, I might add.
It's 11 o'clock in the morning. You sit down in a bar, in a public space, and get wasted?
I don't know how to break this to you. That's what bars are for.
Pops, you serious?
I never realized how much fun I was missing. And when you add go-go dancer to that, my boy.